Today's math lesson is on dividing decimals using a place value chart with discs and the standard traditional algorithm. I'm going to do 1B from their homework. So the way we did this in class is I have to put my ones on the place value chart, 5 ones. I have to put my tenths, 3 tenths, on the place value chart. I have to put my hundredths, 7 of them, on the place value chart, and then 2 thousandths. So now I can do my dividing. 5 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 times 4 is 4. Since 1 times 4 is 4, I'm going to cross out 4 discs in the ones place. I'm left with 1, just like I'm left with 1 there. That 1 now becomes 10 tenths. And now, since I bring down the 3, that becomes 13 tenths. So now I take my 4 and divide into 13 tenths, which would become 2. No, I'm sorry, which would become 3. Because 4 times 3 is 12. Since 4 times 3 is 12, I'm going to cross out 12 tenths. And when I cross out my 12 tenths, I'm left with 1. Just like here, I'm left with 1. So that 1 tenth becomes 10 hundredths. So now, when I bring down that 7, I have 17 hundredths. 4 goes into 17 hundredths 4 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 16 hundredths. That means I have to cross out 16 hundredths. And when I do that, I'm going to have 1 left over. Just like in my division problem, I'm going to have 1 left over. So that 100th has to become 10 thousandths. So here are my 10 thousandths added to the 2 that are already there, which would make 12 thousandths. 4 goes into 12 thousandths 3 times, and there are none left over. Since there are none left over, I'm going to cross out all 12 of my thousandths. There's no remainder, and my answer is 1 and 343 thousandths.